My name's Al Menotti. I'm a designer for Menotti Couture, made and designed in Chicago. Inspiration for me has always come from the fabric and color. If I see a fabric that inspires me, I almost immediately know what the design should look like. I do look at trends, but I don't follow trends. I like to see what's current, but I always incorporate my own feel of what a design should look like. I would say that the woman that wears my brand is the woman who appreciates quality fabrics and quality workmanship, and who likes to invest in clothing that she could wear for several years. I've been approached by people that have said, "Oh, I just wore the outfit you did for me 5 years ago, and I'm still getting compliments." And that's fulfilling to me. What's there not to love about Chicago? I love the diversity of the people. I think culturally we have great world-renowned museums, music venues, and of course you can't not mention fashion. Fashion in Chicago has come a long way. The women who wear the fashion carry it off beautifully. Chicago has produced many talented fashion designers, and many of them being shown on the runway for this REV show. And I believe that we are second to no one when it comes to fashion.